Hello guys, in today's video, I am going to talk about AEJuice plugin. Please click on the link in the description to access this website or the plugin. Currently, there is a Black Friday deal on I Want It All bundle lifetime. If I click on read more, then you can see that this bundle has almost 130 products and they cost only $149. For this price, you get all these pro effects and transitions for lifetime and you do not need to pay any subscription fee for that. If I go on the home page here, you can see that plugin is available for After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and if I click here, then you can see that CapCut is also listed here. If I select CapCut and unselect other video editors, then all of these packs or bundles are available for the CapCut app. So please click on the link in the description to access this website or the plugin. It is not possible to cover all the packs or the effects from this plugin, but I am going to name some of them which I personally like. Very first is the liquid transition and the glitch transition, which are very cool transitions to add between the two videos. Then there are multiple light overlays which gives your video dreamy look. Apart from that, if you want to give your videos old look, then you can use VHS overlays. If you like to color grade your videos and want to give them cinematic look, then there are lot of LUTs available inside this plugin. And last but not the least, the sound effects. If you pay for pro sound effects, then they will take your videos to the next level. To download this plugin, click on the download button at the top. It will ask you for your email ID. So just provide it and then click on get my free plugins. It will start to download one zip file and it will take some time depending on your internet connection. Go to the location where you have downloaded the zip file and extract the files inside it. Double click on extracted.exe file. You will see setup wizard window. Click on next. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. And if you have any of the Adobe software like After Effects or Premiere Pro installed, then this will be listed here and you can select one of them. But I do not have any Adobe product, so Pack Manager 4 standalone is my default selection. Click on next and it will install. Once the installation is complete, select open standalone and click on finish and it will start AEJuice Pack Manager standalone software. For the very first time, it will ask you to choose the video editor which you are using to optimize the pack manager for that. Currently, CapCut is not listed here, so either you can select other video editor or click on skip. In my case, I am going to click on skip. And if I maximize this window, then there you can see that how the interface of this plugin looks like. As you can see at the top, there is a free tab and inside there are a lot of packs which are available. All of them you can use without paying any money. At the bottom, there is a store tab and to use one of the packs, you need to buy a pack or a bundle depending upon what you want to have. And obviously these are under the store for now because I am not logged in. But let's say I have bought some of the packages and I want to see them in this plugin, then I need to log in first. I will click here and then click on login and it will ask me my email ID and the password. I will provide it and log in. As soon as I logged in, the store tab changed to purchase because all of the packs listed here have been purchased by me already. Let's say you are not able to see the pack which you already purchased, then you need to go to this icon again, click on refresh purchase, or you can also click on support to contact the support team from AEJuice. One more important thing which I want to highlight here, all of these packages are bigger in file size and they take a lot of storage. Therefore, I will suggest you to change the location where these packs are downloaded. You can click on this icon, go to the settings and you can change the storage location. Let's say you do not have enough space on the C drive, then obviously you can use the D drive or any other drive if you want and click OK on it. I will quickly show you how you can download one of the packs. Under the free tab, I will select the starter pack. Please make sure you have internet connection because when you click on it, it will download it. Once it is downloaded, it will open it in a new tab. Currently, these are all previews. The actual files are not downloaded locally. And you can see if I increase this window, they have some sample effects or some sample overlays like analog glitch, animated backgrounds, animated markers. Then these are the flat icons at the bottom. These are some liquid elements, even the liquid transition, some HUD overlays. If I scroll down, then you can see these are some shape elements, split screen overlays. There are two more effects at the bottom. First is two urban transitions and the second is VHS overlays like camera interface and distortion. All of these are available for free under the starter pack. If I go to home again and click on sound effects, it will take some time to download and once it is downloaded, then it will open another tab for sound effects. And here you can see that they have a lot of sound effects categories. For example, cashbox, clicks digital, electrical logo, fire, and so on. And all of these are available under free packs. As you can see, this plugin has a lot of packs and it is impossible to cover all of them in one video. What I will do, I will show you how you can apply the liquid transitions. With this example, you will understand how to apply other transitions to your videos. For overlay, I am selecting VHS as an example. I will show you how to apply overlay to your videos. Next one is color grading LUTs. If you want to make your videos look cinematic, then you can download one of the LUTs from here and apply it to your video. Last but not the least, I generally use stock videos from Pexel. This plugin has Pexel integrated into it. You can search videos for your topic and download all the stock or the free videos directly from this plugin. Let's say if you like one of the transitions from the liquid transition, then just click on this download button. It will start downloading the transition and open the folder where it has been downloaded. The folder path is important because we will need it later to import these transitions into the CapCut app. If you don't want to download transitions one by one and want to download all of them together, then you can go at the bottom to the download icon and you can click on download. It will download all the transitions instead of one by one. I will quickly download all the transitions which I want to show you, the overlays and the color grading LUTs and also the stock videos, and then we will see the application of this plugin into the CapCut app. As you can see, I have already started a new project in the CapCut. Now we will import all the stock videos, transitions and overlays into the CapCut. Click on import and go to the location or the folder where you have downloaded all the transitions and the stock videos. First, I will import all the stock videos. Then I will click on import. I will open or select the liquid transition folder. Inside that, I have already downloaded 3 transitions. I will select all of them, click on open. They will be imported into the CapCut app. Again, go to the import and now I will import the VHS overlay which I have downloaded. Let's add all the 3 stock videos to the timeline. I will zoom the timeline little bit. Let's say I want to add the transition between these 2 videos. Then what I need to do is just drag and drop one of the liquid transitions on the top of these 2 videos. If I play it, then you can see this transition really looks good. Let's say you want to adjust the duration of the transition because it's too short or too fast, then you can go to the speed and adjust the duration of the transition. I will quickly add the second transition here. For example, I want to add this one. Let's check it. And as you can see, it also looks cool. And that's how you can just drag and drop the transitions on top or overlay layer and they will be applied to your videos. Now I will move the playhead to the start because I want to show how to apply this VHS overlay to the video. Just click on plus button or you can drag and drop it here. And as you can see, this has been already applied. But the duration of overlay is not matching. So either you can go to the speed options again, increase the duration manually, or you can just copy and paste this effect, or you can drag it again. But when I do that, then it moves to another layer and that is not what we want because if we check, it will also overlay the transition and it is not looking cool. To avoid that, we will move this transition on the upper layer, drag this at the bottom and move the transition to its position. We will move the second transition on the upper layer. Then we have to just copy and paste this overlay till the end. I will just copy and paste it till the end like this. And for the last one, I will just trim the end to match it to the main timeline. If I preview this, then you can see that the VHS overlay is applied to all the videos and the transition is also looking cool. In the last, I will show you how you can apply color grading LUTs which you have downloaded from AEJuice plugin. First, you need to click on the adjustment, then go to the LUT and click on import. Now go to the location where your LUTs are downloaded. I will select both of them, click on open and they will be imported into the project. First, I will apply the first LUT to the video. Just drag and drop and you can see that new layer has been created for the color grading. I will drag it till the end. Now you can see this has been applied. If I click on hide the track icon, then it is possible to check video before and after the color grading. If you don't like this LUT, then you just select it and click on delete. It will be deleted and you want to apply another LUT, then just drag and drop another LUT. Please make sure that it is just above the main timeline because if you drag it on the top, it will be applied to everything underneath. It means it will be applied to both overlay and transitions. Sometimes it might not look good. Therefore, it is better to apply it just above the main timeline. Drag this end till it matches the whole timeline. As you see, it is looking a little bit better. I will show you before and after color grade. You can adjust the intensity of LUT. If it is too much, then you can decrease it here. I will make it 75. And if the video has close look of the skin such as face and you want to preserve original skin tones, then click on protect skin tone. The color grading will not affect these skin tones. And that's how you can use AEJuice plugin in the CapCut app. Is it worth buying? I want it all bundle lifetime. Yes, for sure. Because CapCut Pro yearly subscription costs more than $149. But with AEJuice lifetime bundle, you get all these pro features for lifetime by paying only once. If you want me to show how to use this plugin for CapCut mobile app, then please write in the comment CapCut mobile and I will make a video. If you like this video, then please click on like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who needs this plugin. Stay safe and stay healthy.